What's up, motorsports enthusiasts? Welcome back to the Cars and Canards YouTube channel. My name's Anthony. Welcome to the channel where we enjoy everything that goes fast. Today we got a cool video for you. We're going to be unboxing the boost kit for the Fanatec CSL DD direct drive wheelbase. It's going to take our CSL DD base from the base 5 Newton meters of holding torque. It's going to boost it up to 8 Newton meters of holding torque. We're going to go ahead and drive it right now while it's still at 5 Newton meters, and then we're going to install this and get our reaction to that as well. So the feeling is going to be fresh behind the wheel. We've got the Mustang GT3 loaded up at WeatherTech Raceway, Laguna Seca. Let's go for a drive. All right, so we're just going to go for a quick, couple laps just to get the 5 Newton meters fresh in our fingertips. That way, when we put the 8 Newton meters on, we will be doing a back-to-back comparison so that we get the true feeling. Now, one of the reasons we're going with the boost kit is we've had this CSL DD for about a month now, just over a month, and I'm just craving a little bit more. I feel like the 8 Newton meter boost kit is going to work out just perfectly. One, it's not as expensive as getting a completely new wheelbase. And two, it's a super easy, straightforward install. So rather than investing in a whole new wheelbase, we're going to do a simple modification essentially just to see how that feels. Also, I can't be getting a super crazy strong wheelbase because I do share this with my 7-year-old son, so he does get some use out of this as well. And a 12 or 15 Newton meter wheelbase it might be a little bit too strong for him. I know I can dial it back, but I don't want to do that unless I absolutely have to. But I've definitely grown accustomed to the 5 Newton meter wheel torque already. So I'm definitely looking to see what kind of force feedback 8 Newton meters is going to feel like. So I think the 5 definitely, it's great for a beginner. It could definitely be a little bit more detailed. The Fanatec wheelbase is fantastic though. I can't knock it in any way. I mean, for 5 Newton meters, for what you're getting, the detail, the build quality, I haven't had any issues with it whatsoever in the last month that I've had it. My experience has been great with it so far, but I'm just looking to get just something a little bit more. So we're just going to do 3 laps just to get the feeling down. I would definitely say the Fanatec CSL DD wheelbase is the perfect wheelbase for a beginner. So if you're someone that's new to the sim world and you're looking for a wheelbase to kind of get your feet wet, I would definitely highly recommend the Fanatec CSL DD wheelbase. If you also are getting into Fanatec ecosystem, they've got their new QR2 quick release setup, so you're coming in at a perfect time rather than if you had a bunch of their old QR1 style quick releases. Then you'd have to upgrade a bunch of wheels, and that's going to cost a decent amount of money. But now is the perfect time to get into the Fanatec ecosystem and experience their new QR2 quick release. Alright, so we've done several laps with the 5 Newton meter torque output. Let's go ahead and get the 8 Newton meter boost kit unboxed and installed on the wheelbase. Alright, so let's get the wheel out of the way. Again, this QR2 quick release system is really nice. I've loved it so far. This is the second item that we've ordered from Fanatec. We got our initial cockpit set up. We got that ordered. That took 3 business days to get here. And then again, I ordered this on Tuesday and it came in on Friday. So again, shipping time, definitely not an issue whatsoever, but this is their 8 Newton meter boost kit. that goes with their Fanatec CSL DD wheelbase. Again, this is going to boost the holding torque from 5 Newton meters up to 8 Newton meters. So there it is right there, boost kit 180 Fanatec. And very simple, guys. It should be pretty much plug and play. Very simple, guys. It's just gonna be straight plug and play. We got our wheelbase powered off. We're gonna go ahead and disconnect it and then connect this into it. And that should be it. I don't believe there's any software calibration you gotta do. It's literally just plug and play, going from 5 Newton meters to 8. And that's just purely because this is gonna output more power to the wheelbase. Now, using the Fanatec CSL boost kit, it does keep your Fanatec warranty intact. So that's a nice feature to have, but you do pay a little bit more for this. I want to say this is about $150 shipped to me. Now, there are some aftermarket options that you get off Amazon, but keep in mind, yeah, they might be a little bit cheaper, but they are going to void your Fanatec warranty. So I'll leave that up to you guys. Both this and Fanatec's website will be linked in the description below, as well as the aftermarket ones. They're usually about $25 to $40 versus $150 to $160. So kind of up to you. Is the $100 savings worth voiding your Fanatec warranty? All right, so let's get our wheelbase more accessible. Again, this Fanatec GT Club Sport cockpit is just awesome. We're just with how movable and accessible everything becomes. All right, there's our power cable. All right, we're just gonna go ahead and fish the power supply out. Right there. All right. So fishing the out. So here's the difference between the stock 5 Newton meter power base and the 8 Newton meter power base. As you can see right there, fairly significant size difference. A couple different connections, but we are good to go. And go ahead and get this hooked up now. We just gotta feed the wheelbase connector up through. And that's another cool thing about this GT Club Sport cockpit is the cutouts that you have inside the frame to be able to route wires and wiring harnesses and things like that without leaving them hanging with potential of getting like snagged on stuff. This just helps keep it a very clean look. All right, got it fished up through here. And we're just pulling it the rest of the way through. There's plenty of harness slack to get it pulled through without any excess tension. So now we've got that plugged in. Go ahead and get our wheelbase reset up. Again, the QR2, you don't need to retract anything or adjust anything. You can literally just put it on. It's really nice. So let's go ahead and power up the wheelbase. Let it go through its little motion. We are good to go. We are hooked up. All right, guys, here we go. The test of the 8mm boost kit on our Fanatec CSL DD. Right away, guys, I can already feel it might only be 3 Newton meters more than the stock base, but wow, that makes a huge difference. Wow. Okay, let's get up to speed here and see what this thing really. Oh wow. Oh my gosh, guys. I have been missing out. Wow. That feels so much better. You really can feel more of the weight of the car, and it really gives you a better sense on like what the front end is doing. And wow, I am gonna have to recalibrate myself on this in a good way. This is night and day difference. Wow. This feels great. I'm gonna have to recalibrate on myself on this because, wow guys, this is a night and day difference. You can definitely feel more detail, more road imperfections, more track imperfections. But just the connectedness and immersion you have in the experience to the car, this is way more lifelike. If you guys are new to the channel, you'll not know that I have a lot of physical track day experience in vehicles, and the simulated racing is something just kind of I got into about a month ago. And so feeling this is what I should have had from the beginning. If you guys are thinking about getting the Fanatec CSL DD wheelbase, not only would I recommend you do that, especially if you're a beginner, but go the extra mile, get the boost kit, and just have it on hand. Go ahead and just try it out with the 5 Newton meters, but I'm telling you, you put the 8 Newton meter on, it feels like a completely different experience. I am super happy and super impressed with this. This is the experience. This is what I wanted. This allows you to really just enjoy the experience, get a lifelike simulation and immersion without feeling like you're gonna have to take a break every 5 minutes. This is beautiful how it just, going through that corner, how you just feel the weight of the car, it just loads up. Well guys, if my expression and my explanations and my communication haven't expressed whether or not you should get the boost kit, if you haven't got one already, or you're going to think about getting the CSL DD wheelbase without the boost kit, I highly urge you to reconsider. Get the boost kit. You won't be disappointed. Again guys, the boost kit is going to be linked in the description below. This is an affiliate link, so at no additional cost to you, it helps out the channel directly, as well as the aftermarket Amazon affiliate link. But again guys, keep in mind that will void your Fanatec warranty, so ultimately the decision is up to yours. Greatly appreciate you guys using those links down there. Either way, it helps us out directly without costing you guys anything additional. Appreciate all the support. If you found this video helpful and informative, definitely click that subscribe button, hit the like button, and share this with other friends of yours or other sim racers if they also have the Fanatec CSL DD wheelbase and don't yet have the boost kit. They're missing out. Thanks guys. We'll see you at the track.